English Grammar Course Nouns Part 1b Person Nouns. Welcome back everyone. In the previous lesson, we learned that a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or idea. Now let's learn about the first type of noun, the name of a person. This is the one of the easiest and most common types of nouns. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify person nouns in sentences and use them correctly. What is a person noun? A person noun is the name of a person. In simple words, if the word tells us who someone is, it is a person noun. Every person has a name or a title. That name or title is a noun. Look around you. You may see your mother, father, brother, sister, teacher, or friend. These words are all person nouns because they are names of people. Examples of person nouns. Here are some common person nouns. Family members: mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, baby. People at school: teacher, student, principal, classmate, friend, librarian. People in different jobs: doctor, nurse, police officer, farmer, driver, pilot, chef, engineer, carpenter, tailor. Names of people: Ali, Amina, Ahmad, Sarah, John, David, Fatima, Priya, Rahul, Ansifa. All of these are person nouns because they are names of people. Person nouns in sentences. Now let's see how person nouns are used in sentences. The teacher is teaching English. The doctor is helping the patient. My mother is cooking dinner. The pilot is flying the airplane. Ali is reading a storybook. My friend likes football. The chef is preparing delicious food. The farmer grows rice. Can you identify the person noun in each sentence? Let's think together. Imagine that you are at school. Who do you see? You may see a teacher. You may see students. You may see your friends. You may see the principal. All of these are person nouns. Now imagine you are at a hospital. Who do you see? Doctors, nurses, patients. These are also person nouns. Now imagine you are at home. Who do you see? Mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather. Again, these are all person nouns. Wherever you go, you will find person nouns because people are everywhere. Activity time. Let's play a small game. I will say a word. You tell me if it is a person noun or not. Ready? Teacher. Yes, it is a person noun. Chair. No, a chair is a thing, not a person. Doctor. Yes, person noun. Lion. No, a lion is an animal. Sarah. Yes, Sarah is the name of a person. Book. No, it is a thing. Excellent. Keep it up. Practice questions. Find the person noun. Sentence 1. The boy is playing football. The person noun is boy. Sentence 2. My sister loves chocolate. The person noun is sister. Sentence 3. The doctor works in a hospital. The person noun is doctor. Sentence 4. Ali is reading a book. The person noun is Ali. Sentence 5. The teacher gave us homework. The person noun is teacher. Can you name 5 family members, 5 people who work in a school, 5 different jobs, 5 names of your friends or classmates? Write your answers in the comment before continuing. The more you practice, the easier English grammar becomes. Common mistake. Many beginners think that only names like Ali or Sarah are person nouns. That is not correct. Words like teacher, doctor, mother, and friend are also person nouns because they are names of people. Remember this simple rule. If the word names a person, it is a person noun. Quiz. Let's answer these 5 questions. First question. Is teacher a person noun? Yes. Second question. Is elephant a person noun? No. Third question. Is mother a person noun? Yes. Fourth question. Is table a person noun? No. Fifth question. Is Rahul a person noun? Yes. Summary. Today we learned that a person noun is the name of a person. Examples include mother, father, teacher, doctor, friend, student, Ali, Sarah, Rahul. Whenever you see a word that names a person, you can confidently say this is a person noun. In our next lesson, we will learn about place nouns with many interesting examples and practice activities. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing English every day. See you in the next lesson. Please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.